Hi, it's Ryan from Stately General Contracting. River Edge contracted us to redo 55 decks for them and build them 7 new decks. These decks were old and deteriorated, so there was a lot of rot on the wood deck that was there. This deck behind me we did last summer as a sample for the rest of the decks. We're along the river, so we suggested a Trex product that can take wind. It can take all kinds of abuse from the elements. The same with the railings. They're a vinyl railing reinforced with aluminum. Here's the finished product of one of the brand new decks we built. This one was built from the ground up. River Edge H.O.A decided to go with us because of our capacity to be able to do such a large project all at one time. We started this in the winter. It's springtime now. We wanted to get this done before everybody could go out and use their decks. So we tackled about 60 decks in a matter of about 12 weeks. Visit statelybuilders.com to learn more about our construction services and apply for a free estimate.